What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, ready for it, I'm going to be attempting to be a makeup artist. Now, I do my makeup normally. Y'all have seen a few makeup videos from me here and there, but never nothing where I'm actually, trying and I'm informing y'all on what's going on. So I'm going to try to be a makeup artist. A beauty guru. I'm gonna put the words up here since I can't say it. Beauty guru. Boom. I'm gonna try to be it. So, without further ado, let's hop into the video. First, we're gonna start with brows. That's what I always start with. I know other influencers do something different, but I'm starting with brows, okay? So, I'm gonna use the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And I'm just gonna fill these suckers in. Like, I really, yes, look at that. Look at that. Makeup artistry. Now I'm playing. I can't even talk while I do this, so I'm gonna fast forward through this. Go in with the Anastasia concealer. They don't even sell these no more, which I don't know why, because they are amazing. But I got backup, so I'm good. Going in with some eyebrow gel, to keep the hairs from falling out of place and looking crazy. Just like to do that. Boom. This is NYX Control Freak. Yeah, okay, so let's get into the eyes, okay? This is where we're gonna have fun. I'm gonna use glitter today, even though glitter is messy, but that's why we ain't do the face, okay? Because we gonna do glitter. But first, let's go in with our regular colors. Morphe got like 500 palettes. What is this? This is 35M. Boom. So we're going in with 35M. It looks like this. It's a really pretty palette though. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go on with a transition shade. I'm gonna go in with this one right here first. FYI, this is just a disclaimer. If you copy this and you look stupid in the end, don't blame me. I think I'm gonna go in with this green though. Like this light green. Is that gonna look crazy though? Let's see. I'm gonna go in with this green. Okay, y'all definitely see that green. If y'all say y'all don't, y'all liar. And y'all some haters. But it's okay though. Then I wanna go in with some brown on my outer, whatever this is, outer corner, outer crease. It ain't my outer crease, it's outer corner. Boom. Let's go on with some brown. Cause I'm gonna put black on top of it, but I don't wanna go straight in with the black. I wanna, really, all there is to doing makeup is that you gotta sit down and then act like you know what you're doing when you get started. So like, if you think you can do it, you can do it. That's a word, y'all. I'm preaching to y'all today, okay? Then I need a brush to go on with some black. But definitely didn't. I look like what Brittany Taylor said Remy Ma did to her eye. Okay. So, gonna try to. This is like the brush that I went in with my crease with, and I'm just finna like try to blend this out. Close the palette. So I'm gonna go in and fake cut my crease, cause I don't really know how. But a little cheat code, put some concealer on, look up. Boom, then you know where your crease starts. They looking similar. They looking like they know each other or whatever. Just like blend out the end a little bit. Boom. This is the green. The brush that had the green on it. So I'm just, you know, also helping to blend out that black. Boom. Now, I want to set that concealer with some powder. I'm using Airspun. I also have banana powder mixed in with this too, so it's not just the translucent Airspun, guys. So I'm just setting it so it doesn't move and it's not so tacky. NYX glitter primer. So I'm gonna put it on a brush and then apply it to my eye. Clean off the brush. Boom. Okay, so look what we got to play with. Look at that. Hold up, y'all ain't ready for it. Hold up. Boom. Ooh, this bad boy is so pretty. It's so pretty. So these are all NYX glitter shades. Well, I'm lying, I don't know if it's all their shades, but it's a good amount. I'm using crystal and gold. So like silver and gold. We're gonna go in with crystal first. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? Oh, I look like Forrest Whitaker doing it. Oops. Crystal on there, and then we finna wipe off your brush, or you can use another brush. I'm just wiping mine off, and then going in with gold. Y'all, boom. Okay. I really think I'm a makeup artist at this moment. This is coming together, y'all. This is coming together. I'm gonna put my booking information in my bio while you playing. Makeup artist coming to a city near you. Now y'all see what I'm talking about? Y'all see all this glitter under my eye mess? Now we gotta see if we can get some of this off. I'm gonna go in with makeup wipe. Even though I should probably go in with powder first. Okay, just get a little bit of powder. And dab it where the glitter is on your face. Boom, yeah. Oh, I just did something. All right, boom. Let's get to the face. Yeah. So I'm gonna go in with primer. Let's prime. Don't know what I'm using yet. Let me use Smashbox Photo Finish Hydrating Primer. I wouldn't even suggest about this. This is actually low-key trash. But like the clear one bomb. But this is low-key trash. But I got dry skin, so I need to put this on. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with the Professional Pore Primer by Benefit. Just a dab of that. Put it around my nose. And down my smile lines. Go with concealer first. I always use 2 concealers. Always. Even if they're the same shade as me, I always use 2 concealers. So I'm going in with the ColourPop concealer. This is a medium dark 32. We coming back to this, okay? I'm gonna put I cream contour. I'm using the Black Opal True Color in Beautiful Bronze. I really think this is a foundation stick. It definitely is, but I use it to cream contour. I know y'all panicking, like people that do makeup, they like, girl, why you ain't blended out that concealer? I learned this from Jackie, I ain't know, okay? And Jackie, I don't know what she's talking about. She just hit 3 million on YouTube, so stop playing. I'm gonna blend out this first layer of concealer. I'm gonna use a brush to blend it out though. Boom. Oh my goodness, I scared myself looking in the camera. But it's cool. We finna fix this. And I guarantee you, it's somebody watching this video right now roasting me, talking mad crap. Meanwhile, they ain't never seen their mama without makeup. Pro Girl concealer in what color is this? Fawn. I go in with Real Technique sponge. Can't even talk, bro. And blend this out. Then I'm gonna set with the Airspun and banana powder. Let this sit. This is the only place I bake because I get smile lines, and I be trying to avoid those. So I bake right there. That's it. Then I'm gonna go in and contour with the Anastasia contour kit. Go in with the darkest shade right there, and just, you know, try to make myself look skinty. I go in with the True Complexion contour kit, and I use the bronzer out of this palette just to warm up my entire face. The same bronzer to go in, sculpt my nose a little bit, just a little bit, because we did get concealer on it, so we want to bring back some color. Okay, then to make, I know y'all saying these a lot of steps. Stop hating, okay? Stop hating. To make everything come together and be cohesive, I go in with this finishing powder by Black Radiance in the shade Golden Almond. And I brush this over my entire face. Boom. Love look like a little angel. I know you spray my entire face with the Mario Badescu Rose Water, and that's so I won't look so powdery. Everything can look like skin, and like when you say something like, excuse me, say what? And you're like, dang, why she look so good? Okay. Okay. We're gonna add some highlighter. Since I got silver on my lids, I'm gonna go in with something that has a little bit of a silver undertone. This is Golden Lights by Makeup Revolution. Very little, cause I have, you know, we got this glitter on. We don't want to be doing too much. Just enough to be like, yes, I am here. I am present. Do you see me? Y'all see it a little bit? Y'all see it a little bit? Very subtle. Put it in the inner corners of my eye. I'm gonna go off camera, apply some lashes, some lip gloss or something, finish my hair, and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. If you enjoyed this type of video, let me know, whether you leave it in the comments or send it to me on Instagram, or, you know, if you know me, shoot me a text or whatever. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you do, yeah, I can do other videos like this, like, you know, trying to be a beauty guru or whatever. I had fun doing it. I thought it was something different, something a little interesting for my channel. This is just a wash and go, if anybody was wondering. I have videos on my channel of how I do my wash and goes. If you are interested in those, I can link some below, or I can do an updated one. Probably no time soon, but I'll be in the works of doing that. Because I do things a little bit different now. I have a couple different techniques and a couple different products that I use. But let's get into this beat real quick. Hold up. Yes, I think I did that. But all right, you guys. So thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will catch you guys in the next video.